Sanibonani and welcome back to another hot review of Uthando Nesithembu season 8 episode 24. Firstly nje ake sibongele nje uMakhwela noMseleko ukuthi ke useyenza ubundle of joy angazi wesingaki. But ke sana angikaze ngimbone uMseleko ejabule kanje. Siyababongela ke bakithi nje. Now that we are done with that, I did see ukuthi uMakhwela naye unabo nje ubudelulu guys. Obvious ngingasithola isikhathi esiningi noMseleko ngoba okokuqala nje indoda eshadile to not one, not two, not three, but 4 wives already. So uzoba scarce vele. So aka enjoy nje nkosami sisekhona isikhathi base sekwi-honeymoon yabo because ngiyasola nje nkosami ukuthi naye uGeli usazomlambela bakithi uMseleko. Also ke guys, the fact that uMakhwela akazi ukuthi uMseleko unezingane ezingaki is such a red flag kumina because for one it tells me ukuthi akanendaba naye. She doesn't care to know more about him ukuthi yini ayifaka kuyo uyayifaka nje ngekhanda bakithi. So mina it begs the question yokuthi how long have they been dating ngempela and does she really know ukuthi uyifaka kwini because uGeli uphila kwakhe nje umhlaba yedwa noMseleko my man hayibo uGeli hayi bakithi. I also thought it was interesting ukuthi she saw a chance to make easy money by betting 1,000 rand if they saw ama-zebra and ke ngeshwa ke uGeli ke wayeluza ke i-bet. But for me that told me ukuthi okay, already there's a blesser sugar baby relationship between them. You know, the fact that she lost the bet wathi uMseleko ushuthi uyena ozothola 1,000 from her. Wathi nje no never nje kanjani nje. And waphinda futhi uGeli wathi uzomkhokhela ngezinye indlela not via cash. Sonke ke siyazi ukuthi beqonde ukuthini. I guess ke uGeli uyawazi ama-strengths akhe, uyazi ukuthi uMseleko aveke bemncisha bakithi amakhosikazi akhe. So she's positioning herself as this person okwazi ukumsatisfy ama-needs akhe uMseleko. She's using intimacy as a tool to get leyo quality time naye uMseleko and also to, you know, like assert herself as this wife onakho lokhu akudingayo uMseleko, whereas lamanye amakhosikazi alokhe emrejecta yena she's showing ukuthi yena nje she's loving that part, you know, ngoba uyazi amadoda vele esikhathini esiningi ilokho okuhamba phambili empilweni zabo. I also would not be surprised if uMakhwela has adopted lo mcabango wamanye amantombazane ukuthi if indoda engenzela lokho or if ngifuna imali or something from indodeni kumele nje ngisatisfy kahle nje ekamerweni. No, I wouldn't be surprised if uyitheklisha kanjalo le relationship yakhe noMseleko. Ucabanga mhlawumbe ukuthi that's the only thing mhlawumbe ezomjabulisa uMseleko kanti nje shame kuningi. For mina ke inkinga ngalokho ukuthi izohambe ajwayele phela uMseleko ukuba naye ekamerweni and then kuzomela ke ayiprove phela ukuthi umthathe as a wife yangempela, komela ayiprove in other ways besides sexually ukuthi she is a worthy wife. And I think kuso sonke nje isithembu saMseleko the best example yalokho is uMakhumalo ukuthi you can do everything for a man, satisfy his needs, help him financially, be a dutiful wife, agree with him kuyo yonke into, still kuba no but if there are no kids, if he's providing everything for you, if he's building a house for you, if he's being a husband kuwena, still ufuna ukubona ukuthi okay ikhona umvuzo for taking you as a wife. So in this case yaMakhwela injabulo ayikhombisa uMakhwela shows ukuthi how much children mean to uMseleko as indoda yesithembu. Children outweigh yonke into ongamenzela yona as a wife. It's definitely going to be interesting to see Makhumalo's reaction to the whole thing, but I'm sure she has already prepared herself ngoba wabona ukuthi uMseleko wathatha umuntu omncane kangakanani. so wabona ukuthi ekugcineni iy'ngane zizophuma la. So I'm hoping that she sees this as an opportunity to just relax kancane, because I know ukuthi nayo inkosi yami, she wants kids, she wants to explore that thing ye-IVF, but I don't see it happening right now because all the attention is on uMakhwela. If she keeps bringing up le ndaba ye-IVF, then she will look as if usekhompyutha noMakhwela, when there is a possibility ukuthi nale IVF would not work. So I feel like she should just wait. If she's still thinking about the IVF, she should wait le hype iyehle kancane and then bring up the idea of the IVF. So obviously now it's gonna be difficult, it's gonna be so difficult, but kesana, I trust uMakhumalo as a strong woman ukuthi she will get through this nje kahle. The best thing for her to do is to support uMakhwela in this journey of hers, whether or not uMseleku recognizes leyo support ayinika uMakhwela. But if ngempela uMseleku is a good man, he will see ukuthi, oh my goodness, uMakhumalo uyayithanda ingane and nesupport anginika yona ekusekeni uMakhwela, let me just give her what she wants. Let's us try le IVF yakhe so that she can be fulfilled enhlizweni yakhe ukuthi okay, at least we tried, whether ifailile, whether it's successful, at least umnika lento, that one thing that she wants. Enye into engiyithandile was iscene kaMacele noSneh. I liked that she held uSneh accountable for her words. The fact that she was so comfortable in speaking that way showed ukuthi she didn't understand the weight that her words had, ngoba it put ama ideas ebantwini ukuthi oh shuthi usola lo nalo nalo, when that's not the case. Angicabanga ukuthi amagama aSneh abezoba nalo umsindo ongako if she had a good relationship nalamanye amakhosikazi and ebabona njengomama bakhe. But the fact that she has a bad relationship namanye amakhosikazi and ukhuluma kanje, iyona lento eyenza ukuthi abantu bebe naleyo mcabango leyo. So guys, ngesikhathi uMseleku noMakhwela bebese ehotela behlalele nje, I was like, hey ugeli nje Nkosi yami uzoyikhumbula lezi ikhathi bakithi, because uqinisile uMseleku mayethi nje ubegcina ukumseva lapha kaMacele. And namanje ngoba kancane kancane uMakhwela ufuna ukuthi amseve, ufuna amenzele ukuthi nokuthi hey akamazi kahle uMseleku. But ke mina into engixaka ukuthi ugeli mase kukhulunywa ngama duties as a wife, ukhala ngokuthi na usakhathele yena i-condition akuyona imvumela uthenzele izinto. Hawu kanti yaqala yena ukubona umuntu okhulela uMseleku. And ke into engixakayo ngayo une-energy for i-intimacy, kodwa when it comes to being a wife and doing wifely duties usekhathele. I shame lo girl bakithi. But ke they must enjoy the honeymoon phase while it lasts, because kesana he usazo find out. And then ke in conclusion nje mina this whole episode bakithi ngibonile ukuthi hayi ke uMakhwela bakithi usamncane and uyiphilela kuwakhe umhlaba. Usazosikhuluma nje bakithi isingisi, usazogqoka ngale ndlela agqoka ngayo, usazoyiphatha nje ngale ndlela ayiphatha ngayo because she's still young. Uyayithandela nje ucansi bakithi ugeli, kodwa lokho kuyoba inkinga ngempela phambili if ngempela she remains this comfortable. Mina I feel like nje she must take this opportunity, afunde yonke into that she needs to learn to be the wife, ukuze ngempela abe asset, abone uMseleku ukuthi hayi cha ukhethe kahle la. I also think that she still doesn't understand i-role yakhe, into ayizele kwaMseleku, because if she did, then she'd really understand why uMseleku kumele a-report kuMacele. She is there ukuyokhiqiza ingane bakithi, angazi sitshela ukuthi yokwenzana lapha. Kumele azi vele uMacele yonke into abayenzayo ukuthi iplan ihamba ngomumo yini noma kunezinto yini ezima endleleni yabo. I think uMakhwela has a lot to learn bakithi. I think she needs to just humble herself ngempela, angakhohlwa ukuthi why she is there, engazami futhi ukuphaphela amanye amakhosikazi bakithi. Hi guys, that is all I have for episode 24. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this. Please make sure to comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe so that our community can grow. As always, ngiyabonga uthando lwenu. Ngizonibona kule elandelayo. Bye guys.